Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to download and install cTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go to Google and type cTrader. Okay. After that, choose this one. Click on it. Then go to Get cTrader here at the top right. Click on it. Scroll down and choose if you have Windows or if you have Mac. It's the same thing. So for me, I will click on download here on Windows. Choose the place where you want to save it. So I will save it on desktop, for example. Click on save. And as you can see here, this is our cTrader software. Click on it. And as you can see, now it's downloading. Just wait for a moment. Okay, now let's go to desktop. And as you can see here, this is our cTrader. Okay. Now you can add here your email, but for me, I will add Google. Click on continue with Google. Choose Google Chrome. And I will choose, for example, this one. Click on continue, workspace save it. Click on acknowledge and continue. And now if we click here, as you can see, this is our account. This is our email address. In that set, if you want to open a demo account, click on open new trading account here. You can choose the balance from here, for example, 10,000. You can choose the currency, for example, USD. And this is for the leverage. And we have here account type. I will keep it on default. And click on open demo account. And now, as you can see here, this is our demo account. Okay. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.